light. Explore the beauty, let your spirit fly. Transform the walls, make them grand. The murals lure with tales untold into the heart of Taipa, bold and old. Street art so bright, it lights the way, welcoming all to come and stay into alleys where secrets lie. Explore the beauty, let your spirit fly. Bold and old. Street art so bright, it lights the way, welcoming all to come and stay into alleys where secrets lie. Explore the beauty, let your spirit fly.
So right here we're watching some with the artist here who's painting this wall, AAFK, which is the tag right in the red over there. So they're painting this wall together, and it's going to be, we're going to come back again tomorrow and take a look at it. Let me just kind of stroll by with the camera, and then we're going to see the full work probably tomorrow. I think they're going to have a plan to have it all finished within a fairly quick. Just kind of go like this, go back like this. Very, very cool. And you kind of come this way. And then they also have some of the front here too, because I saw it as we were coming up. And actually this artist right here is, he has his tag right here. So to see that right there. Very cool. Okay, we have a beautiful little alley in Taipa Village, and we also have AFAK, a couple who do street art. So I was really glad to be able to film them, and I also I was able to do a little progression too, so I can see where the building started and ultimately where it ended in the middle part as well, where you can see them at work. So anyways, very, very cool. And we're gonna put it up on the map so you can see exactly where this is at. And also on top of that, I'm also going to give the lyrics to the song. I built it with some AI. I kind of played around with some music and yeah, anyways, that is there too. And we're going to get into the walk and talk where we explore not only Virtudes, but also just around Taipa Village, right? So this alley kind of leads the way, and then that artwork is kind of like a gateway into the cool stuff. It lures you in. So so pretty cool, and I was actually glad to be able to see them at work as well. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that, and we're gonna explore Virtudes, explore Taipa Village, walk around and show it to you through the walk and talk. Let's go do it. Okay, so we're gonna be going down Virtudes right there, and so you saw a preview of the artwork, so we're gonna walk by that And we're also going to go all the way down the street so you get a full idea of what it looks like. And then we're going to come by again another time and kind of give you an idea. So let me just kind of show you what this looks like here. Got Dumbo. If you notice right there, there's also these books right here that come out of the building. It's kind of a cool architectural work. And we got the lighting coming on just right. So we're gonna see, and then we're gonna come by here in a couple of days, and then we'll film it again and see the final product. Kind of come back a little bit. Actually, there's a lot of people coming through with the cars. So. Okay, so we're going to keep on going down our Target Street. Oops. Sorry. No worries. It's kind of busy tonight. We'll probably come by it another day. Let's kind of jump out of the way out of that one. Harley Davidson. There's so much cars and traffic right now. So our street is called Virtudes, which I think might have just ended right there. So we're gonna make this be the focus for that big building. And I guess Virtudes actually ends, so I'm gonna just walk around briefly. Just kind of give you a context of this area because we're in this Taipa village area. And there's a lot of interesting stuff everywhere throughout here. So we're gonna follow in where all the people are at. It's like a new place opening there. So we're gonna come up into this little square. I think we're going to come back through this way. Groceries. Let's see. There's actually other stuff we could film in here too. But I think there's another Virtudes street somewhere in here. I think that's the My Messy Kitchen. Maybe we'll stop and say hi real quick. I'll just come by and say hi. My Messy Kitchen. Gotta come here and get some of this because there's got some really good food. And I'm gonna stop here and say hi. Okay, so we were just coming down this one and we're gonna go around. And then we're gonna kind of go through these neighborhoods just a little bit, just to give you an idea. And then we're gonna go back to that main one again. So at least you get an idea of the quaintness of Taipa Village and all the beauty and the colors and everything like that. And then I think the lighting would be different as well. So once we get back, it should look kind of cool. So let's head back into one of these. Little four corners. I wonder if we got this whole space. I'm going to come back here and film as well in a little bit. So they're actually creating this corner into something better all the time as well. And they're also building something up that way as well. But we're going to go back to our Target Street. And so this was going to be Virtudes. So we'll head on back. Yeah, the lighting is just about right. And then there's Virtudes right there, so we're gonna come back to the Harley Davidson and such. So let's just go back to the base of the street. And last time when we were just around the corner, there was a lot of this traffic is all kind of getting all messed up in here. Then this is our Virtudes. So let me kind of stick across now. So they basically gave you a little bit of a tour of it. And there we go. Looks like they're creating some more already. There we go. Okay, so now the wall is complete. So we're gonna check it out a little bit. So we were here just a couple of days ago, and now it's a Tuesday. We was here about 3 days ago, and they finished it. So I think they did it all within 3 days maximum. So this is one particular side. It's kind of giving a little view of the street because I also want to capture all the Virtudes, because last time I was here it was a little bit it was a Saturday, I believe, so everything was a lot of people were coming through here, cars included. But this is the wall, and those two artists, let's see, did they tag this one? AAFK, so that one would be on Instagram, and I think they had it tagged originally, but I guess they and this is the other side. Let's get kind of closer. One thing I noticed is that the street light is kind of near the eye, so it kind of has like a twinkle of the eye if you catch it just right, which is kind of cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do next, we're just gonna follow through as we usually do in this channel, capture the entire street of Virtudes. And when I was here the other day, I went through Taipa, so I kind of gave you an idea of what it looked like a little bit. But today we're just going to only do Virtudes, and that'll be the end of the other video. There's still more traffic coming through here. So that's Virtudes. One thing I've always noticed whenever I've been in here is these trees. And Virtudes actually ends right here. So this is the end of the street. And I always see like little stuff in this tree sometimes. Plastic bottle. I just always thought it was interesting because these trees in different cultures, like if you're in Thailand, big trees like this will have shrines and temples in it. And sometimes they have that here in Macau too, actually. But these two do not have that. Okay, so Virtudes Street. And we have a new mural that just came up. Just painted, so you're able to see it. There's, it says Macau up at the top left. There we go. So come check this out. Do some Instagram photos near it, and support the artist too. I'll put the link to their work down below on Instagram. Very, very cool.
Where secrets lie, explore the beauty, let your spirit fly.